Greetings everyone! Hi guys, this is Gabby here. Yes, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm glad you are with me today. So, I am going to again to do another unboxing. Oh my god, it's another thing here in my kitchen, but yes, I have to admit it's a little bit pricey, but it's kind of investment that it's not only for a month use. So my husband and me, we already had a talk that if we are going to invest on something which is we can use for long years, you know. So okay, I close my eyes and swipe it, and I got this. So yes, I got this delivery. And because as you've seen into my latest post, which I am using this pan, which is already have some black in the middle of it. That's why I wanted to change it. You know, maybe it's unhealthy already. And yes, this is it. I am excited. So be with me. I'm always excited when I do this unboxing thing. Yeah. So I got two. Yes. Right. Okay. This is for the first box. Heavy, but we are looking for something which we can use in all types of heat, like induction cooker, oven, electric, gas, or something like that. So look at that. Oh, look at that. It's a little bit heavy than I had here. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, maybe it is like 5 kg. It's 5 kilos or 5, something like that. It's heavy, guys. So this is what I've got. This one. So, but we can use it as I really have to look for a thing which we can use in induction, because we have induction cooker here. We can also use in gas and in oven as well. So because normally I always if you followed my recipes, I normally some more when I do live stream, like I will put the pan in the oven. So it's just very convenient, you know. It's heavy. Oh my god. Okay, one is done. And this is the heaviest. Are you ready? Yeah, this is the heaviest. So, as the same as how I chose the pan, I also use, this is the cast iron. It's Dutch, like Dutch oven or something like that. It's a cast iron, but it's a pot. Because you know, yeah, you look at that, cast iron and stuff like that. Because I am also more into soups and, you know, winter. So I am looking for the quality. I know it's pricey, but you know, to those who buy cheap, buy twice. That's my mother-in-law said. So okay, then invest this. Hopefully it lasts years. I think I am the one using it, so we'll see how clumsy I can be. I'm gonna put this one a little bit down. Okay, I'll put you a little bit down as well. Okay, so like this. Maybe like this better. Okay, like this better. So try to open this. I don't know. Really? It's heavy. Oh my god, unbelievable. It's heavy. Okay. There you go. Look at that. It's really heavy. Okay, and the main. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, look at this, guys. And this is big. This is 28 centimeter, so it can accommodate like 10 person a soup, or a dozen maybe, depending on how big your serving is. But I like the color. It's kind of versatile. Yeah, there you go. So I got this. Oh my god, it's really a heavy thing, but I guess. Yeah, induction. This is induction, ceramic, electric, and gas as well, and also oven. So I really never thought that I will get this, but I was really thinking of this long time ago already. But you know, since we don't have our new house yet, so I am hesitating because we don't have space. Like, look at the back of me. It's too crowded already, so yeah, we need a new place. So I got this, and I am happy. It's a little bit heavy, but of course I think my arms is designated to use for it. And yeah, look, I like it. I love it. So I think it fits on my oven. Yeah, and also this one is heavy. I mean, I'm not kidding. But this is really, I'm already thinking, because I was like, it's 28 centimeter as well. Because I was thinking of, you know, like making baked zucchini or stuff like that, which I like it when it's a whole zucchini. I can put in here, but sometimes I have a small pan which I need to cut it into half. You know, but hopefully this one fits already here. So that's it for my unboxing. So you see this? I'm happy, and hopefully I can put it in a good use, and I will use this for many years, hopefully. And yeah, I'm happy. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, and I will see you again on my next unboxing. Yeah. Thank you so much, and bye everyone. It's Gabby.